Welcome to Tech Brothers with Amir. In this video, we are going to learn how to concatenate text from multiple rows into a single text string in SQL Server. So let me explain the scenario here. So you have this select start from customer, and you see that I have a country here, USA, then I have first name and last name and other values for those records. Here I have a country name India, and there are two records, Rob and Jasmine. And then we have Pakistan and we have Ali from there. What I would like to do, I would like to see USA one time here, then three names, first name Amir, Raza, John, and for India I would like to see India, then Rob, Jasmine. So I would like to concat these values in the same row. So now what we are going to do, I'm going to take this snippet right here, and then I'm going to provide to the ChatGPT. This was used to be very difficult task for us, and every time we need to add some quotes around it or some special characters around it, this always give us some issue. But now this is going to be much easier. So I'm going to copy this exactly as it is, whatever I am asking. So I'm going to paste it here, and now I'm going to provide a little bit more information. So for SQL Server, yeah, that's fine, into a single text string for SQL Server for column first name and group by country. Okay, so you can rewrite in a different sentence. It doesn't have to be like, say I want a country code and then first name as a concatenated value. So see right there what it did, it says select country name comma aggregate function is using string aggregation first and then providing comma and then given this name and then group by your table name and then a country. So here it did not take the table name because we did not provide the table name. So I could have say customer table, then it will say customer table. Now anyways, no big deal. We are going to paste our query here. Let me copy actually and copy the code from here and then go back here, and now we are going to delete, and here is our country, and now what we have here, customer table. So I'm going to change to table, and now we select and you will see the data. So let me show you the data. So you see there for India is Rob and Jasmine. As I said that for Pakistan there was one record Ali, and for USA we have Amir, Raza, John. Now often we get into that situation where we want to have double quotes around it, or because sometimes even the first name with hyphen, or people have like a some maybe weird names like with the space, even first name, I don't know. So you want to have double quotes or some other special characters around it. So you can do that. Here I will say, okay, here it also provided us another query by using XML path, so that you can do as well if you want to do it. So if you want to copy this, go back to your SSMS and provide your query here, and now you will say customer table. Okay, great. And now we can copy paste and here change as well, and now we can run this query as well. It should generate the same or produce the same results. So whatever works best for you. So you can also ask which one is better. You can ask like if this is going to use indexes and all that, so you can provide more information on your table. Like if you have indexes, just take the snapshot of that and say like, hey, these are the indexes, then write me query according to that. So I want the best performance. So here is the explanation. You can have stuff and all that. If you want to remove the leading commas and space, hey, my table name is customer, add in the query, also add around first name. Okay, now I'm asking more because I want to have enclose this value for first name. So I would like to have there you go. Let's see if this is no, it's not adding that value. So see right there, it is just first name column. I don't really care. I would like to say enclosed. I am talking about enclosing first name column values with brackets. Okay, now let's see if it will regenerate that code for us. So first I said like, hey, put the these brackets around first name, so it did. So you see right there, it did. But now I'm asking, like, I would like to have this, so I'm gonna copy this and go back to it, and now we will just paste it there, and Control V. Now if we execute, and you can see that we have country India, Rob, we have parentheses around it, and the same way Ali, and same way we have a parentheses. So in cases that you have some space, or you want to keep that way, like you want to add some other column, let's say if you want to have double quotes, so you can simply change with double quotes. That should do as well. So you see right there, now I just changed to double quotes by myself, because I knew that these are just the parentheses I need to change with double quotes. So this query used to take a lot of time for us, and what I'm saying, like, by using ChatGPT, you just have to learn how to use it, and then you will be all good. You will be writing the query in seconds that you write in minutes or hours. So I thank you very much for watching this video. Please go ahead and subscribe my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.